How to set effective date and other e-invoice settings. Scenario: setting up the effective month of e-invoice transactions and other e-invoice settings. Solution: 1. On the navigation, click E-INVOICE and select E-INVOICE settings. This will show the controls and settings for related fields and transactions to E-INVOICE. 2. Under the General tab, choose the effective month of the e-invoice. Once set, the transactions before the selected date will not be included on the validations and list for e-invoice. 3. On the same tab, check the modules where required field validation must be implemented. A. Customer maintenance. If enabled, validation checking will be performed upon saving for all created customers under the customer maintenance module. B. Stock and services item maintenance. If enabled, validation checking will be performed upon saving for all created stocks and service items under stocks and services items maintenance. 4. Below the above control is the consolidated e-invoice settings, which will help you control the generation of the consolidated e-invoice. Note: location will only be available if the add-on module multi-location is activated. Generate by all location and separate location setting allows the user to define whether the generation of a consolidated e-invoice is based on the different locations or to disregard the location of the transaction. Item description display method setting allows the user to choose the display method of the e-invoice line items when submitting the data to the LHDN MyInvoice system. The details and differences of the two methods can be seen in the e-invoice specific guideline. User may select their preference using this setting. Once set, click the Save Changes button. This will activate all the settings related to e-invoice based on configuration. 5. Under the Credentials tab is the connection setup for LHDN MyInvoice API. You may find a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up credentials in another video. Just click on Video Guidelines to watch it. And that's how you can set effective date and other e-invoice settings in quick and easy steps. Click the link below to download the PDF file of this tutorial. See you in our next video.
Next generation of accounting. Q&E AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN